Hi, everyone, and welcome to Module 4. This week we'll be talking about Git workflows. So last week we learned about the fundamentals of Git and the commands and Git push, Git pull. This week we start talking about workflows. There are really a lot of workflows out there for Git, but the one that I want to focus on this week is pretty popular. It's called GitFlow. And so with GitFlow, it has this concept that you have historical branches and then you have temporary branches. And so the historical branches are the ones like the main branch and the develop branch, where the main branch has the most recent version of the software, and the development branch is where you're doing development on the software. However, when you go beyond, 1 to 2 to 3 people working on software, you have an issue where you could collide more easily with someone like, I could be working on this section of code, lines 100 through 122, and then, down a little bit further, this person's working on lines 130 through 150. And as I'm adding here, sometimes I can overwrite lines down here, and there's potential for collision. Basically, when you go to push your software back into the same repository, you could overwrite each other. And so the concept is with GitFlow is that you have these temporary branches. They're called feature branches. And you use this to write your feature out, and then you do a pull process through and have a steward of the software or a code reviewer look at the software and approve these changes. And so the software reviewer is kind of the steward of the software. They are looking out for these collisions, but also Git inherently has conflict resolution logic built into it. So it tries to resolve these things itself as well. Typically, most of the time it can handle these collisions, but other times it requires a human to interpret what's going on. So GitFlow is a great workflow, and you'll be learning, the various commands with that this week. Again, if you have any questions, just reach out to me. Thank you.